In the coming days, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA may announce the end of the northeast monsoon or hanging amihan, and the hotter weather can be expected. PTV's Rod Lagusad has the details.
In the coming days, PAGASA may announce the end of the northeast monsoon or hanging amihan. As a result, expect hotter weather. Based on PAGASA's forecast, the heat index is expected to reach an extreme caution level today in most parts of the country, including Metro Manila. Based on PAGASA's forecast, the heat index in the Iya Pasay City is expected to reach 39 degrees Celsius. In Science Garden, Quezon City, it will be 38 degrees Celsius, while in Dagupan City, Pangasinan, it will be 42 degrees Celsius. With this, some local government units have declared schedule adjustments or cancellations of classes. Yesterday, the forecasted heat index in Metro Manila was 46 degrees Celsius, but the actual recorded temperature in Science Garden, Quezon City was 37 degrees Celsius.
Ito po ay inaasahan natin na magpipik pa hanggang sa mga darating na araw, lalo na po sa buwan ng April at May, kung saan mas matataas po ang inaasahan nating heat index forecast. So kumbaga nagsisimula pa lang talaga tayo, kaya at least yung ating mga kapartner na mga sa LGUs at sa ibang ahensya ay alam na nila kung ano yung mga dapat gawin na kapag nag-issue si PAGASA ng ganitong forecast.
According to Masalio, the northeast monsoon is waning and weakening at this time. While some areas are still experiencing cool gusts of wind, particularly in the northern parts of the country, especially early in the morning. But here in Metro Manila, the hot weather is already being felt by so many who try to find ways to somehow alleviate the high heat. Gilbert, a jeepney driver, who is working at this time, drinks 3 to 4 bottles of water with ice.
Bumili ako ng tubig. Nagihilo kasi ang init eh. Kasi yung panlaban ko, pamaypay. Kasi di kaya pag ano eh. Parang di ako makahinga. Sobrang init. Tapos wala siyang hangin na pumapasok.
Meanwhile, construction worker Joseph is also being extra cautious to avoid heat stroke.
Pag inom na po ng tubig na wala, tsaka kunting sagop ng hangin. Para maano lang po yung natin sa katawan, init. Dililim po muna kami po sa nagparty kung saan medyo mahangin-hangin.
PAGASA reminds the public to take extra precautions, especially for people like Gilbert and Joseph, who are out during the hottest parts of the day, including those in vulnerable sectors such as senior citizens.
Kapag nag-terminate na po tayo ng ating northeast monsoon, ng ating amihan, so mas expect po natin na mas drier na yung condition natin. So sa mga ibang lugar po, mas kukunti na yung mga pag-ulan at mararanasan na po natin yung mas matataas na temperatura.
PAGASA explained this not only a heat index but also the actual temperature of a location. From PTV Manila, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.